Hello guys, today I'm gonna dye my hair at home. It's been, I think this hair I dyed at home 8 months ago. So now you can see a new color coming out, and then there is this divide. So today we're gonna use a darker shade from the same brand, because in the winter or when the weather is cooler, I always want to have a darker hair color. And I don't want to do it in a hair salon because it's the pandemic. So I'm just extra careful. This product I've used several times, and then my hair is not super dry, and you can still see the shine come through it. So it's actually a very good product. So I highly recommend anyone who wants to dye their hair at home to try this product. Okay, let's get started. Wear this plastic. I just use tape to tape around my neck so it doesn't get to my shirt. So the more color or the longer the color has on your hair, the more color it will show eventually. So I'm gonna start from the top and then go to the bottom. So I have more color at the top. And then the bottom will stay a little while because it's very light color on my hair. So I think it's gonna evens out. I don't know, we'll see. Just squeeze it, put it on your hair, just like that. I feel like I need something to prevent me to touch my face. My God, the smell. I'm gonna sit for 20 minutes. The gloves have turned purple. Ta-da! This is it. I just shampoo and condition my hair and it looks pretty nice. This is not what I expected. It looks different from the picture on the box. It's a little similar, but you're supposed to get a little green. Now it doesn't smell that bad either. So the downside, I would say, is during the dyeing part, it smells really, really bad. I would wear a mask if next time I'm gonna dye it on my own. But overall, the color turned out pretty well, and you can see it's a little brown color. Yeah, it's pretty even. The roots are definitely lighter than my ends because I dyed my roots first, so the longer it stays, the more color it shows. This box was $14. I think it's very well worth it. With any product, your hair is gonna experience some damage, so be sure to use good conditioner and even hair mask. Yeah, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!